Hey friends, today we are gonna go to IKEA, and it has been years since I've been here, but since me and my guy right here are coming, I'm gonna bring you along. Like a theme in a song, clever, feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. Do we need a basket? I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up. The primary thing. So like I said, this is my second time coming to IKEA. The first time that I came, it was a couple of years ago when this one, particular IKEA in Memphis opened, and we came, and yeah, so since we have some time today, it's like let's come and see what it's all about and if this is a store that we really do like. Don't have anything in mind to look for, but I just want to see the store for myself now that I'm a little older and can probably appreciate it much more than I did before. I like how they have some of the areas already set up so you can see some of the pieces in use. Let's see what they do with 376 square feet. on the market side. So when we came in, we went to the show floor. Yeah, the show floor side where they show you how everything is set up, and then there's another side where you can purchase all of the other items. So we're now just looking through, and these are the areas where you can just pick the items up off of the shelf. What does that say? Barbecue. With the little grill that you saw. I was like, why? Okay, I think we didn't get much, but we did call ourselves walking around the entire store. We did the showroom and the marketplace, and we didn't grab much at all. So now we are going to go find the checkout and probably hit the road to head back home. I hope that you enjoyed this walk through IKEA with me and my honey. Until the next video, have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.